Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Picture this. A client sends a group photo, but one person's arm juts out awkwardly. Retaking the shot isn't an option. Puppet Warp saves the day. Go to Edit, then Puppet Warp. A mesh appears over your layer. Click to place pins. These are your anchor points. Put one on the shoulder, one on the elbow, and one on the wrist. Now drag the wrist pin downward. The arm bends naturally while the rest of the body stays anchored. Increase the mesh density for finer control around detailed areas like fingers. When it looks right, press Enter. One tool reshaped a limb without anyone knowing. That's the power of precise, pin-based manipulation.